Hi everyone, welcome back to BORG Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your ultimate guide for BORG ERP learning series. So today I am back again with a next video that is the continuity of the previous video which we had earlier discussed and learned how to create general tasks and how you and your team can be on same page, how you can have a better task delegation in your office, in your organization, so that you can track your team as well, and moreover that particular task can be delivered in the projected timeline more efficiently. So let's start how we can create the checklist task if we are having more than one point of concern. If your team is engaged in any project or engaged in any task and it is having many point of concern, so how you can add all those points in a single task and how you can assign that task to your team members. So then assigning the task, then updating the task, and moreover how can you delete and then how you can track the record of that particular task, that how much time you have devoted in completion of that particular task by you and your team. So for all this information, we need to first log in our demo account. I'm showing you a demo account. Now click on login, and then I will use the login credentials and I will get into my account. Now comes the admin dashboard. Now for the module section, I need to go to right side where I can find the task force module. I will click on task force and I am into the dashboard, that is a task force dashboard, task management. And then I will go to add new task just below the dashboard. I will click on add new task and we will see that we are having two drop downs. First is a general task and second is checklist. So earlier I had guided you how to create general tasks. Now we can check this one. Click on checklist task and I am here in this page. So from here you need to add the task headline. Then you need to add the checklist item. So first of all, I am adding a task headline. Say for example, again, I am putting this as a correction point, lead of and I can put date to make it better. Then I will put the checklist. So I'm putting the details. Say for example, I put one as a detail, then second as like this. I can add more details in here like this. If you need, you can write all your details about your task like this, and further you can add more also. Then again, if any document is needed, you can attach from here. You can choose file and then attach, and then deadline can be set from here as per your the task priority. That means it means if today or as soon as possible, ongoing, custom date, these all can be set as per your the priority level of that particular task. Then we need to select the category. As you can see, we are having two categories over here in drop down. First one is urgent to be done and second is the today priority task. So for example, I need to add one more category, then I will click from here and I will add one more custom field from here. So I am adding as soon as possible and then I am clicking on update. So this category will be created and will soon reflect in the drop down. So let me check again. I think I need to add list again. How you can add more and more, and then I will select the deadline and category. So now I think this category is reflecting. Yes, as soon as possible. This category we have created just now and it is reflecting. This is how you can create category, new category from your end as per your requirement. And then I need to select the assignee. Next step is assignee. So I am selecting Nishant Kumar as an assignee and I am adding here this task as a new checklist task. So click on add new checklist task and this particular task will be created. So you can see this task is created, task ID is there, task headline is there, and then we are now done with this task. Now I need to check this particular task is available with Nishant Kumar in his account also or not. So then better go to his account and check. So I will click on the module section and from here the task force. This particular user is being granted the access of task force, then only he is having the whole access of task force module. If access is not granted by admin, he or she cannot have the access of any particular module. So now I need to check in my to do task. That means the task will reflect here those tasks which are assigned to us, to any user. So you can see here this task is assigned task ID 3233. Now we need to check the task, the track also. There is nothing here. No one has updated. I think I need to update here that I have. This is how I can write the comment over here and then I will update. So comment add successfully. And now you can see that there is a track log is seen here. And moreover, this particular update will be also available in admin account, right? Then I will see the track log, and moreover, anyone who is assigned in task will able to see. You can see this task has been updated and Nishant Kumar and moreover the project or the owner or you can say the team leader or the various members of this particular task will be updated by this process and all will be on the same page and we can track this task from analytical reports as well. So how this task is being completed and how much time we have devoted. Is this task late or this task is by the time it is delivered or it has crossed the deadline? Or you can see over here we have mentioned here different types of report so that we can check this particular task or any other task, that how much delay by 1 day, delay by 2 days, and task delay by 3 days or task delay by week. So by clicking on these reports, we can have the exact report of how much time we have devoted to a particular task or a project and how efficient is your team and you doing in for your concerned organization. So this is how you can track and you can create both checklist tasks and general tasks, and you can find it as a fruitful and business tool in your organization. So thank you for your patience listening. Thank you very much.